Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the next worksheet related to the topic numbers. The first question is find the highest common factor HCF of the two algebraic terms. So for HCF what we have to do, for common factor what we have to do, we have to find out the common elements. So let's write it like this: 2a cube b plus 20a square b square. Now we can see we can take the combined table for these two terms will be 4a square b, and here this will become 3a plus this will be 5b. Now we can see that this will be the highest common factor. This will be the highest common factor. So the final answer will be 4a square b. This will be the final answer. Let's move to the second question. F is a common factor of 14 and 28. M is a common multiple of 10 and 25. P is a prime number. Work out the largest possible value of f and f divided by MP. So the largest possible value means that we know that this value must be the larger one and this value must be the smallest one. We need the smaller value for the denominator and the larger value for the numerator. Now first of all let's work out for f. Now f is a common factor of 14 and 28. So first of all let's write down the common factor of 14 and 28. So if we write the common factors of 14 and 28, so for 14, the factors of 14 will be 1, then 2, then this will be 1, 2, and then 7, and then 14. And for factors for 28 will be 1, 2, then we have 4, then we have 7, and then we have 14, and then 28. So now let's find out the common factor. So common factor will be this will be the common factor, this will be the common factor, this will be the common factor, 7 and 14 will also be the common factor. These are the common factors. Now we are interested in the larger one. So the larger value of larger common factor is 14. So f will be equals to 14. Now let's work out for m. M is a common multiple of 10 and 25. So let's write down the common multiples. Common multiples of 10 and 25. So let's write down the multiple of 10. So this will be 10, 20, 25, not 25, 10, 20, and then this will be 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. Similarly, the multiple of 25 will be 25, 50, 75, 100, and so on. These are the multiples of 10 and 25. Now let's find out the common multiple of 10 and 25. So we can see that 50 is the common multiple of 10 and 25. We are interested in the smaller one because in denominator m is in the denominator, so the smaller common multiple of 10 and 25 is 50. So we can write over here m will be equals to 50. Now the last one is p. P is a prime number, so we know that prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, then we have 11, and so on. And as we can see that p is in the denominator, so that is why we are interested in the smaller prime number. So this will be the value of p. So p will be equals to 2. Now we need to find out the value of f divided by m into p. So f divided by m into p, this will be equals to 14 divided by 50 into 2. So this will be equals to 14 by 100, and which means 0.14. So 0.14 will be the final answer. Let's move to the next question. Question number 13. Find the reciprocal of 8. So reciprocal of 8 will be 1 divided by 8, or we can also write it in the decimal form. So 1 divided by 8, 8 will be equals to 0.125. This answer will be the final answer. Let's move to the question number 14. Write the number 6.5 million in figures. 6.5 million means that we will have in 1 million we will have 10 lakhs. So in 6.5 million means we will have the number like this. So this will be the 6.5 million. This will be the final answer. Let's move to the question number 15. 9, 16, 18, 29, 57, 64, 87 and 96. From the list of the numbers, write down a factor of 48. So the factor of 9 is not the factor 16. Yes, 16 is the factor of 48. Okay, this is the answer. A cube number. So for a cube number, what we can see that 1 cube is equals to 1, 2 cube is equals to 8, 3 cube is equals to 3 cube is equals to 27. These numbers are not in the list. So 4 cube is equals to 64. So this, it means that 64 will be the final answer. Let's move to the next one, a prime number. Okay, now we can see 9 is not the prime number, 16 is not the prime number, 18 is not the prime, 29 is the prime number. Yes, so we can write 29. I think that is it for today. In the next class, we will discuss the remaining questions. But I hope that today you have got the idea. Today you have got the concept that how to solve the basic level questions related to the numbers, especially to the related to the algebraic terms. And then we have a very good question. This one, question number 12. I hope that now you have got the idea that how to find the common factors, how to find the common multiple, how to find the reciprocals, and how to convert a number in figures, and then how to find a cube number, prime number, factors, etc. But if you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section. Thank you.